If you are keeping your money in a Standard Bank savings account in 2026, you aren't saving money, you are actually losing it. Why? Because inflation in Africa is eating your cash faster than the bank can pay you interest. To fix this, you need to move from a saver to an investor. Today, we are breaking down the 5 best investment vehicles available right now in South Africa, Kenya, and Nigeria, starting from the safest, guaranteed returns, all the way to high-growth wealth builders. 1. Government bonds. First, the safest place to start, government bonds. This is where you loan money to the government, and they pay you back with guaranteed interest. In South Africa, look at RSA Retail Savings Bonds. In Kenya, look at infrastructure bonds or eMakiba. These often pay between 10 to 14% interest annually, which beats almost any regular bank account. It's perfect for wealth preservation. 2. Exchange-traded funds. Next, if you want to own top companies without doing hours of research, you need exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Imagine buying a basket that holds pieces of the 40 biggest companies in your country. Instead of betting on one horse, you're betting on the whole race. You can buy these easily through apps like Easy Equities or local brokerages. It's low effort, lower risk than picking single stocks, and great for long-term passive income. 3. S&P 500/Global Index. But why limit yourself to just Africa? The third investment is the S&P 500. This gives you exposure to the 500 biggest companies in the US. This is a hedge against your local currency losing value. If the rand or shilling gets weaker, your dollar-based investments become more valuable in local terms. Number 4 is real estate. But wait, I don't mean buying a house, which requires millions. I mean REITs. You can buy shares in shopping malls and office parks on the stock market for the price of a lunch. They are required by law to pay out most of their rental income to you as dividends. 5. Individual stocks and crypto. Finally, the high-risk zone, individual stocks and crypto. This is where you can make 100% returns or lose 50% overnight. Only invest money here that you are willing to lose. Treat this as the spicy part of your portfolio, not the main meal. The golden rule, timing. But none of these investments work without the golden rule, time in the market beats timing the market. Don't try to guess the best day to buy. Just start today with what you have. In the next video, we will have a look at how to open an Easy Equities account and Easy Properties. In the next video, we will have a look at how to open an Easy Equities account and Easy Properties.